What's the meaning of charioteer? Charioteer. Charioteer.
Charioteer. Charioteer. A charioteer is a person who drives a chariot, which is a two-wheeled vehicle typically pulled by horses and used for transportation or racing in ancient times. This role was particularly prominent in ancient Greece and Rome, where chariot races were a popular sport. Charioteers were skilled drivers who had to navigate their way around a track while controlling the horses pulling the chariot. They were often celebrated athletes and heroes in their time. Today, the term charioteer is used more broadly to refer to anyone who drives any type of vehicle with skill and precision.